Welcome back to a new playlist on technological innovations in management and entrepreneurship. This playlist will be useful for BE as well as MBA. So you can see that third year BE, there is one technical subject, there is one management subject called technological innovations in management and entrepreneurship. So in this session, I'm going to cover the entire syllabus through this particular playlist. Let's get started. So first of all, I'll be showing you the syllabus of first module. The first module comprises of two major segments. One is management, other one is planning. In the first segment, you will be learning about nature and functions of management, importance of management, definition, then management functions, levels of management, roles of manager, managerial skills, management and administration, management as an art, science, and a profession. So these are the major segments you will be discussing in the first part. Second part comprises of planning in nature, importance, types, limitations of planning, decision making, and the meaning and types of decision making, etc. These are the major things you will be covering in module 1. So in this video, I'll be discussing about what is management, definition of management. Okay. So there are so many definitions. So according to F.W. Taylor, so management is an art of knowing what to do, when to do, and see that it is done in the best and cheap possible way. Okay, so that is actually the definition according to Taylor. If I talk about the another definition by Kuntz, the process of designing and maintaining the environment in which the individual working in a group efficiently employ resources and accomplish the selected goals, self and the organization. That means management is an art of getting the things done through the people in formally organized group. It's basically teamwork. So how to complete the work with the best possible way. Okay, like maximum utilization of resources with a minimum cost. That is a major concept of management. Okay, so now let's generalize the definition of management. So let's talk about the generalized meaning of management. As you can observe, management is the process of planning, then of course organizing, directing, and controlling the resources such as human resources, financial resources, technological resources, and physical resources to achieve organization's goals effectively and efficiently. In order to complete the goal, in order to complete the goals of organization in a best and efficient possible way, so we have to perform like a planning, organizing, directing, and controlling all the resources. Okay, that is the basic meaning of management. So what are the major processes involved in management? It involves coordinating and overseeing the activities of individuals or groups within the organization to ensure that they are working towards the common objectives and coordinated in a coherent manner. The manager should observe that in a management process. So we need to check whether the things are moving towards the goal or not. It's just like a closed loop. We'll always have a reference. Okay, standard one. So the standard performance will be compared with the actual performance. That the difference we'll always consider. That means it will work as a closed loop. Management encompasses various functions including decision making, problem solving, delegation, communication, leadership, and aiming up to optimization, utilization of resources, and achieving the desired outcomes. Okay, so here it mainly encompasses like decision making, problem solving, delegation, communication, leadership. All the things are involved in management. Okay. So in this session, we discussed about the most popular definition of management. So according to F.W. Taylor, then Kuhn's, then general definition we discussed. Also, we are familiar the syllabus of the first module. So rest of the portion that will be discussed in the forthcoming session. Let me know if you have any queries. If you are watching our channel first time, I request you to like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to get the similar kind of video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.